Hello everybody and welcome back to another Age of Empires tutorial. In this video today, I'm going to go and show you how you can install mods on Age of Empires. So to begin with, from the main screen here, we come down and select the mods button here. We can see several installed mods that I already have, but if you want to take a look at what mods are available, we can go over here to the Browse Mods tab, and we can see several different ones here that are available to us with different names. We can see here, for example, Small Trees. And that will give you a quick overview just here on the right hand side. So this one is small trees, and that effectively makes the trees small on the map, which gives you much better vision of the map. If you want to install them, we can go ahead and just press the subscribe button. It'll then download this mod to my game. And then if I go on ahead and want to load this quickly, I'll just create a single player, make a quick skirmish and launch the game. You will now see that the trees on my map are much smaller. Thus making it very easy to have a look around. We can see now the trees are much smaller compared to the villagers. If I go ahead and create a lumber camp now, for example, it's very easy to see where I can and cannot place it around the trees. And this is a really nice one to have. Going back to the main menu here, we can also see on other mods, for example, if we go back to Browse Mods, we've got the Advanced Idle Pointer. This is really good for finding villagers that are AFK. Another one that I really like here is the Town Center Range mod, which simply puts a black line around the range of a town center. So if you're, near your enemy's town center, for example, you're able to tell with your units when you come in and out of range. That's really nice. We also have other ones, for example, like fish borders down here. There's plenty of other ones as well here to choose from, such as the Useless Plant Remover mod, and you can scroll through and choose which ones you want. And that's it, guys. You now know how to install mods on your Age of Empires account. I hope this tutorial has helped.